What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the Samsung Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus will get Samsung's latest and powerful image sensor, while the Galaxy S22 Ultra will have improved and faster charging speed. Also, a more improved and powerful chipset will be included, with features a Cortex-X2 supercore and an AMD GPU. And today, we are going to discuss this in detail. Please watch the full video content. An authoritative insider known on Twitter under the nickname Ice Universe has shared fresh details about the promising Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra smartphones. So, the informant is fully confident that the flagship of the line, the Galaxy S22 Ultra, will receive support for 45 watts charging. If you remember, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus already had it, but then Samsung limited itself to a charging power of 25 watts. And now, in its new flagship, the company is ready to return to 45 watts. The insider also shares details about the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus cameras. According to an insider, the recently introduced 50-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL GN5 with a resolution of 50 megapixels will act as the main sensor in these models. This is a relatively large sensor, optical format 1.57 inches, pixel size 1 micron. Finally, there are details about the Exynos 2200 platform, on the basis of which the Galaxy S22 will be built. According to an insider, it will feature a 2.9 GHz ARM Cortex-X2 supercore, 3 large 2.8 GHz Cortex-A710 cores, and 4 2.2 GHz energy-efficient Cortex-A510 cores. Finally, the frequency of the AMD platform's graphics processor is also reported. It will be 1.25 GHz. The network already has the results of the first Exynos 2200 test. The platform performed at the level of Snapdragon 888. The Samsung Galaxy S20 and the Galaxy S21 have 6.2 inches screens and are positioned as flagships with small screens. According to rumors, the screen size of the Samsung Galaxy S22 has been reduced to 6 inches to make it even more comfortable to hold with one hand. Ice Universe has predicted the announcement of the 200-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL HP1 sensor, 50-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL GN5, and another image sensor from the South Korean company, and regularly reports accurately from Samsung's R&D department. All of his leaks on the Samsung Galaxy S21 have been confirmed. The official announcement of the Samsung Galaxy S22 may take place before the end of this year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.